Welcome to Trio Markets. Please follow our instructions for your registration. Then, move on to register to sign up for your Trio Markets account in 3 easy steps. 1. Create your account. A registration form will open where you can choose between a company and individual account. Choose the individual account and continue. Please fill in your first and last name, your email address. Choose a password and make sure it fulfills the requirement and you repeat it on the right side correctly. Check if the right country is chosen and add your telephone number. Click the small circle to the GDPR as well as terms and conditions and finalize the registration with clicking on Sign Up. 2. Verify your email. Before you continue to set up your account, please check your email box to verify your email. In your email box, you will find an email from Trio Markets with the subject line Email Validation. Please open this email and click on Confirm Email Address. This will forward you directly to your Trio Markets account. Here, you can resume your account opening process. With some easy steps, your live account will be ready to get funded and start trading. In order to complete your account, please start with filling in your financial information. Your economic profile contains information such as education, income, and investment plans, your trading knowledge, and your tax information and past trades. After filling in your answers, please proceed to Next, which will forward you to the document upload. The second part of the profile completion requires you to upload documents. It is best if you prepare the documents in advance in form of JPEG, PNG, or PDF. First, you will have to provide a proof of identification. Please select your document type, such as passport, proof of identification, or ID, and choose the expiration as well as issue date. Then browse the document that needs to be uploaded from your computer and click on Save in order to upload your file. In the second step, you will be asked to upload proof of residence. Here, you can choose between a utility bill, such as electricity, water, or telephone bill, a bank statement, a tax bill, or a certificate of residence. Please make sure that the document is not older than 3 months, and indicate the expiration date. Then proceed as before. Find the document and upload it with Save. Now, we only need to verify the payment method for your deposit. Here, you can choose from various options such as a credit or debit card, Skrill, Easy Payment, Neteller, or wire transfer. Pick your preferred payment method and just as before, set the expiration date and upload the file via the Save button. All your documents will now have the status Pending Approval. They will be reviewed by our back office within 48 hours. If you have difficulties with the document upload, you can also send an email to backoffice@triomarketsglobal.com. Click on the Save button in the lower right corner to save all the uploads and return to your account overview. 3. Fund and trade. You can now fund your account, and after the approval of your live account, directly start trading.